Can you read this out? That sounds like a number, but all we see are words. How do we write these words in figures? It's simple. Come along, let's learn how to write numbers in figures. Numbers written in words are separated with commas, depending on how large the number is. So, we should have a comma after 1,000. Also, we hyphenate all numbers between 21 to 99, except for whole numbers like 30, 40, 50. So, a hyphen should come between 60 and 2 when writing 62. Now, let's write the number on the screen in figures. To write numbers in figures, write out each partition of number words in figures and add them all up. Like this. 60,000, 2,000, 800, 95. Now, we add the numbers together, which gives 60,000 plus 2,000 plus 800 plus 90 plus 5. This gives 62,895. Here's another number. 753,125. Let's take it one after the other. We can see that 753,000 are all part of the thousands. We have 700,000, 50,000, 3,000, 100, 20, then 5. Now we add the numbers together. 700,000 plus 50,000 plus 3,000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 5. This gives 753,125. Friends, let's review what we just learned, shall we? Write 997,611 in figure. Try this. Okay, let's do it together. We see that 997,000 are all under the thousand compartment. 900,000, 90,000, 7,000, 611. Now we add the numbers together. This gives 900,000 plus 90,000 plus 7,000 plus 600 plus 11, giving us 997,611. Super! It is important to be able to read and write numbers, as it helps us interpret and communicate mathematical ideas. Ensure you keep practicing. See you soon. Bye!